now you are in the court, in front of the judge. Same time you are writing in a examination hall. First, given scenario, highlighted couple of issues, matter is over, start writing. When assessing an application for judicial review, very first 5 questions has to be met. Primarily 5 questions. What is the first question? Whether decision maker is a admin body or private body. Write it down. Write it down. Whether decision maker, no, admin only. Whether decision maker is an admin body. That's it. In a given scenario, hospital board is an admin body. University is an admin body. NCA is an admin body. Federal government is an admin body. Write the name of that body. If you are in a hospital, hospital board is an admin body. If deputation order, immigration board is a admin body. Employer-employee problem, landlord and tenant board is an admin body. Right? If you are a lawyer, violation of any law society of Upper Canada, and now you are going against the decision of the law society of Upper Canada, whether the admin is a admin, whether decision maker is an admin body, yes, law society of Upper Canada is admin body. Second question you're gonna write in an exam. Does the applicant have a standing? Does the applicant have a standing? Does
the applicant have a standing?
Applicant have a standing. What's that mean? You're gonna start writing from in a exam. Okay, you know what? After reading all facts, I'm here for judicial review. So before, okay, the first 5 questions has to be met affirmatively. Must met. Otherwise, no judicial review is available. Whether decision maker is an admin body, yes. In a given scenario, Law Society of Upper Canada is a decision maker. Medical Association Board is a decision maker. Whether applicant have a standing, what is the name of the applicant? Vishali have a standing. It means whether Vishali, do not write whether Vishali is a defense, whether she has a standing. Yes, she was being directly affected. I am a directly victim of this admin body. Yes, I have a standing. I'm not here behalf of for just to making fun. I have a standing. I'm being directly affected by the decision of the admin body. I have a standing. Yes. For example, I live in a Mississauga. I live in Mississauga. 100 kilometers away in Toronto. They are demolishing a hospital. They are demolishing a hospital. Lot of people would be directly affected. They have a judicial review because a lot of people, they buy their houses just because of hospital is nearby. Okay, they invested millions of dollar investment just because of hospital. They are being they would be directly affected. I live in 100 kilometers away. Can I be directly affected? No. I'm gonna say yes. Decision maker. Okay, I'm unhappy with the decision of the Toronto city by law. They are demolishing the hospital. So I'm here behalf of judicial review. Okay, whether decision maker is admin body? Yes, city is admin body. Does Aamer have a standing? No, Aamer doesn't have a standing. He is not being directly affected by the decision of the Toronto because he's 100 kilometers away. You got it? Which court we have to apply? Third step is which court you have to apply. If you are worker of federal, which court? Only which court? Which court? What court?
Federal.
If federal employee, Federal Court of Appeal. If provincial employee, Provincial Court of Appeal. You will see under what act you are fired under this act. You will see, okay, right? So what court? Fourth step is have any deadline lapse. Have any deadline lapse. Have any deadline lapse.
Sir, it means related with the limitation?
Yeah, limitation. You are fired today. After 5 years of firing, you are going for judicial review. Make sense?
Reasonable.
If okay, you are in Canada, right? If you are driving 100 kilometer in a 50 kilometer zone, police gonna give you
Ticket.
ticket. So you have some time limit. Within that time limit, you have to go for court. If you're gonna lapse that timeline, have deadline lapse. Yes, in a given scenario, deadline lapse because they allow you. Okay, if you are fail in any NC exam, if you are fail in NCA exam, you have a right to appeal in NCA there, right? Right to appeal. In the appeals, there is still time limit. In the time limit, you avail that limit. Again, appeal, again, decision was against you. Then you're gonna go to the court from admin body into the court. There should be a some timeline. If you're gonna lapse their timeline, no judicial review is available. We have to pick up from the given scenario. Okay, okay. First four steps are not so important. You will be tested in fifth step. It's very important. First room. This is called first room. Fifth step is has the applicant
Exhaustive remedy, sir.
yes has the applicant exhausted
Remedies.
all remedies under the admin body was under the admin body. Has the applicant exhaust all remedies? What's that mean? Has the whether decision is a final decision, whether decision, yes, this is not fourth step, this is fifth step. Mannat, first step is admin decision, whether admin decision maker is a admin body, whether decision maker is a admin body. Second is applicant have a standing. Third is which court you're gonna apply for judicial review. If you are a federal employee, Federal Court of Appeal, provincial court, provincial employee, provincial court of appeal. Fourth step is have any deadline lapse. Fifth step is
Exhausted all other remedies.
so you will be tested point number 5. You will be tested in point highly chances, not I mean highly chances. You will be tested in number 5. It's very important. It's very important. Have the applicant. Who is applicant? Okay, computer guys, I need your eye contact. I'm a judge here. I'm a judge here. You are a defense. He is a admin body. You are here for judicial review. You are unhappy with the decision of the admin body based on the procedural ground. They did not follow the proper procedure. Ma'am, okay, before we're gonna go into the procedure, we have to fill up first room to open the door for judicial review. First step, second step, third step, fourth step, fifth step. Have you exhaust all of the remedies? Give me any example. Have you exhaust all remedy under the admin body? Mean admin body decision has to be a final decision. Admin body decision has to be a final decision. Give me any example. Okay, I'll give you one example. Okay, computer guys, I need your eye contact. Number 5 point is very important. Has the applicant exhaust all remedies under the admin body? Mean whether admin body decision is a final decision, right? For example, if you are failing in